What's up, YouTube?
We are back with another video. And as you can see, we got a box.
Munchpak.
Yeah. We got a box from Munchpak. And we got a whole bunch of different snacks from different countries. This is what it looks like.
Pick them out.
We got some chips.
The chips are from
Ireland.
where does it say?
The chips are from Ireland.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Ireland. Made with real Irish potatoes. Cooked in small batches with sunflower oil. Okay.
These are some jelly things from
South Korea.
South Korea. We cannot read it, as
Yes.
you can see.
You cannot read. I'm kind of skeptical about that. You can't read any of the ingredients.
The next thing is this.
Serendipity PB&J sticks from Greece.
From Greece.
I don't think you can read any of this stuff either. Oh yeah. These are probably going to be good.
These.
From
These.
Croatia.
Croatia.
Salted pretzel sticks filled with irresistible cheese and seasoned with smoky paprika. This is one snack combination you didn't know you were missing until now.
And the next thing is this.
Coffee break and caramel bar
And this is the
from
last.
Poland.
This is the last thing that's in the box. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth.
Shamrock and sour cream. This tastes like sour cream
Yeah.
and onion chips.
They're good. And they're gluten-free. I'd be getting these in Ireland.
Yeah. Thumbs up.
That one's approved.
And now,
No.
peanut butter sticks with raspberry jam from Greece.
From Greece.
These are going to be good.
I don't know about the raspberry.
It smells like peanut butter.
Mmm. Mmm.
Oh. It has peanut butter in it.
Mmm. These are good.
I mean, if we were there, I'd get it. I'm flipping a stick.
There's peanut butter inside of it.
Yeah, this is good.
100% good.
Yeah. Time out.
Next is these pizza things.
Saltas, cheese, and paprika pretzel.
We had a slight disruption. But anyways, we are trying these. And the back is like paper. The hell? Ew, I don't know about these.
That's what they look like?
Yeah, this is what they look like.
They're weird. They don't really taste like anything.
No. The seasoning.
Yeah, you can taste like a little bit of paprika. I mean, if I don't know anything about Korea, but I'm sure they taste like regular fruit snacks.
I don't know about these because you cannot read them.
They say 50% something, so maybe sugar free. Don't know.
Maybe
Don't even know the flavor of it.
Maybe they got a bomb in here.
Oh, it
Oh, wait.
says peach or grape.
Peach.
Oh, they're real hard and chewy.
I'm trying to get us.
They're like rubbery. No.
I give these like 50%.
I don't like coffee, but I'm gonna try it.
I do. This is our next and last one. It is a coffee break. Coffee and caramel.
From Poland.
From my country. Oh. My country makes the best.
It's like a wafer.
Yeah, with coffee.
I don't really taste any caramel.
Me either. All coffee.
Strong coffee. I'm gonna pass.
I give it a thumbs up. I love coffee.
Yeah, I feel like coffee then you'll like that.
Which one was your favorite?
These. The peanut butter and jelly sticks. These. The Ireland chips.
Yep. These were the two best ones from Ireland and Greece. So if we ever go to Ireland or Greece, this is what we will be getting.
We might try some more stuff. Different
Yeah.
packages.
Different packages and everything.
Ooh, fondue cheese pretzels.
I got some hot chips or something.
Kit Kat.
Pop.
From Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
So, if you don't already watch, click that like button.
What else do you want us to try?
Down below.
Prank.
Prank. Socials are down in the description. And make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And click that bell so you can get notified.
So we can get to 150.
I just hit 100 subscribers yesterday. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!